Hello and welcome back. So this question says, what is the mass of solid calcium carbide needed to produce 1000 centimeter cubes of ethene gas at STP? First, in this kind of problems, you have to first write the equation and balance it, right? So they say calcium carbide and it's solid. So we have calcium carbide, right? And they say it produces 1000 centimeters cube of ethane. That means it was reacted with water to produce. Let's balance this equation now. CaCO, right? Then plus, so it's going to produce ethane gas now. So we have ethane gas, right? So this is the gas that is produced, and then this one will carry 2 here, right? So let's check if the equation is balanced. Hydrogen is 2 here, oxygen is 2, so we'll put 2 here to balance it. So oxygen becomes 2, this is 2, hydrogen is 4, we have 2 here and 2 here, so it's balanced. Calcium is 1, carbon is 2. So this equation is balanced, right? So if we have balanced the equation now, let's find the relative atomic mass of the what? Calcium carbide. So given the atomic mass to be 40, here we have 40 plus calcium is 12, then times 2. So we're having 40 plus 24, which gives you what? 64 grams. So 64 grams of calcium carbide will produce 22400 centimeters cube at STP, right? But then they say we should find the one that 1000 can produce. So if 22400 centimeter cubes, right, of ethane was produced from 64 grams of calcium carbide, then what is the mass of the solid calcium carbide needed to produce 1000 centimeters cube? So we'll now say 1000 centimeter cube gives what? X gram. Okay, so if this is established, let's do our arrangement the way we do the arrangement always when we want to do cross multiplication. So we have 22400 centimeter cube give birth to 64 grams, then 1000 centimeters cube give birth to X, right? So we cross multiply now. So X times this will give you 22400 X, and it's equals to 1000 times will give you 64 grams times 1000. Is that clear? Okay, so if this is the next step, what will happen after this? We will be having only X left if we divide both sides of the equation by 22400, right? So we divide both sides by 22400. So I have 64 grams times 1000 divided by 22400. So this will cancel this now. Our X will be equals to what? So first, let's do multiplication of the numerator. Or we can cancel, say this will cancel this will cancel this, right? And then this times this will give you 640 grams divided by what? 224. So our X will be equals to what? So let's do 640 divided by 224. So we're going to be having 2.857 grams, right? So what this means is that the mass of solid calcium carbide needed is what? 2.86 approximately grams. So if you want to produce 1000 centimeter cube of ethane gas at STP, right? When calcium carbide react with water, then you should have what? 2.86 gram of the calcium carbide. All right. This brings us to the end of this calculation. I'll stop here and then I'll catch you in another video. Bye for now.